VTech Spidey Watch Review and How to Use Guide, Best Kids Smartwatch for Marvel Fans. Looking for a fun first watch for a young Marvel fan? The VTech Spidey watch combines a simple digital watch with entertaining learning activities. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Designed for children ages 3 to 6, the watch features Spidey-themed digital clock faces, along with an alarm, stopwatch, timer, and other simple time-related activities. It gives children an easy way to become familiar with reading and interacting with a digital clock. The watch also includes 4 Spidey-themed games. These activities are designed around skills such as counting, matching, patterns, shapes, and hand-eye coordination. The character sounds and animations make the learning activities more engaging for young children. Another advantage is how simple it is to operate. Kids can move between the clock, games, and other functions using the physical buttons, so there is no complicated setup or smartphone required. However, there is an important limitation. This isn't a full-featured connected smartwatch. It doesn't provide cellular calling, GPS tracking, or smartphone-style apps. So parents looking for communication or location features should consider a different type of kids smartwatch. The watch also uses a CR2450 coin battery, so battery replacement will eventually be necessary. Overall, the VTech Spidey watch makes the most sense for younger children who love Spidey and want an interactive first watch. It's simple, fun, and focused on learning rather than advanced technology. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of the VTech Spidey watch.